By the end of this lesson, you'll have a comprehensive toolkit to squeeze every bit of value from this class. I'll walk you through the different topics we'll be covering, the structure of each lesson, your class projects, and the resources I've got lined up to support your learning. We're going to start with the essential principles of SEO copywriting, followed by an in-depth look at keyword research and selection. You'll then discover how to lay the groundwork for your success by clearly defining your strategy, including your audience, message, purpose, and approach. We'll look at how to structure your ideas effectively before writing the first draft of our web page, then adding effective subheadings that captivate your readers. Next, we'll unlock the secrets to crafting a click-worthy title and a persuasive call to action that's sure to get clicks. We'll then polish your skills by enhancing your copy's readability, developing your writing style, and editing your work until it shines. You'll master writing microcopy, including meta descriptions and image captions, and learn tactics to approach different types of web pages, such as about pages, product pages, and landing pages. And then we'll wrap things up with valuable strategies on maintaining and updating your copy to keep it fresh and relevant. That sounds like quite the journey, right? But don't worry, I'll be right here with you, providing you with professional advice, efficient techniques, and some brilliant time-saving hacks. Every lesson is filled with detailed walkthroughs and real-world examples, and you'll learn how free online tools can make your SEO copywriting even more streamlined and effective. While the SEO copywriting principles you'll learn can be applied to all web copy, the class project keeps things straightforward. You'll create a blog post from scratch, adding to it with each lesson using the skills you learn along the way. That's where your trusty companion, the class workbook, comes in. This workbook is your go-to resource for this class, highlighting key takeaways from each lesson and providing practical examples to help you apply your new skills and complete your project. Your blog post doesn't have to be long. Simplicity is key here. And if your website doesn't have a blog, no problem. You can draft a landing page or a product page instead. Now it's time to introduce you to an example I'll be using throughout this class to illustrate the principles and techniques of SEO copywriting. Meet Green Cat, a fictitious online store specialising in sustainable cat supplies. Green Cat is launching a new blog, and I'll be leveraging my SEO copywriting skills to ensure its posts rank as high as possible on search engines. As we move through the class, I'll be crafting a blog post for Green Cat, demonstrating each technique I share with you in real time. I'll be using the class workbook and various online tools to create this practical example so you can see clearly how each technique works in a practical context. And the tools and real life examples of best practice I refer to during the class are all listed in the workbook. As we progress, follow along in your own workbook, applying the techniques to your own project as you learn. Before you move on to the next lesson, download or print out your workbook. You can find the link in the class description and resources tab. We're going to start by setting a strong foundation with some essential SEO copywriting concepts. Let's get to it.